Hello, everyone. I have made a song just for you. I hope you like it. It comes from the heart. It's special. At first, I was afraid. I was petrified, thinking hackers could come in somehow and steal all of my life. And I spent so many nights making all my data strong. And if you try to guess my password, then you're gonna get it wrong. I won't get hacked. Not in my place. I've updated all my firmware and put locks outside my place. I've downloaded Windows updates. I've installed anti-malware. If you get inside my network, you'll find honey everywhere. Just so you know, I'm pretty sure that you can't hack me. It won't be easy anymore. I used to be so simple, just a young script kidded dream. Now my IDS and IPS are really mean. My network's strong. You ain't gonna get in it, cause I've updated everything. And I changed my password, and I got anti-malware and firewalls and all kinds of stuff hooked up to it. You can't hack me no more, hackers. I hope you like my song. I love you guys.